Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make samosa pockets. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this recipe we'll start by adding 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Then we're going to add in some salt to taste. After that we're going to give it a mix so that the salt and the flour can be well combined. After that, you're going to add in some water, some just normal temperature water. You're going to add in gradually, mix to form a nice dough. You're going to knead the dough for about 3 to 5 minutes or until it is soft as shown in this video. Then you're going to let it rest for about 5 minutes before. After that, you're going to divide the dough into 8 equal portions as shown in this video. Then you're going to mold them into a small, nice doughs. Your small doughs should be like this. Then you're going to roll them out as shown in this video. After all is done, you're going to spread some cooking oil on top of the dough. Then you're going to sprinkle some flour. After that, you're going to place the roll-out dough on top of it. Then you're going to repeat the process of applying the cooking oil and sprinkle some flour as shown in this video. After that, you're going to roll it out into a big circle. Make sure they are of the same size before rolling them out. Sorry I lost a footage on how I started rolling, but I have another one in the next step. After you have rolled it out, you're going to place it on a heated pan as shown in this video. Then you're going to pan roast it for 1 minute on each side. Then we'll start peeling them off. While peeling, make sure you are so gentle so that you won't break them. As for me, it was so hot, so I decided to just peel this one bunch, then the other one I decided to peel after. You repeat the process of pan roasting 1 minute on each side. Then you're going to remove it and set it aside. After that, you're going to take a round shape or a plate, cut into a round shape as shown in this video. When you got that round shape, you're going to start peeling off as shown. Make sure you're also gentle so that they won't break as mine. After that, you're going to cut them into triangular shapes. So you're going to cut as shown. As you can see, our triangular shaped samosa sheets are ready. So I'm going to show you on another way on how to cut your samosa pockets. So you're going to cut them into a rectangular shape. Kindly do as shown in this video. As you can see from this video, our samosa sheets look so well and they are ready to be folded. So you're going to make some paste. So paste, you're going to use 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then you're going to add in some water and mix to form a nice paste. Your paste will be as shown. Then you're going to take your samosa sheets ready to be folded. Kindly do as shown in this video. Guys, thank you so much for watching this far, and if there is process you didn't understand, kindly let me know in the comment section and I will help you out. As you can see from this video, our samosa pockets are ready and they're ready for the fillings. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do try and let me know in the comment section after trying. And don't forget to give it a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn how to make their samosa pockets at home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.